of Education, Dr. Caroline Hale, Executive Director of Heart Trust, NTA, Mrs. Grace McLean, Chief Education Officer, other distinguished guests in the audience, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good afternoon. Pleasant good afternoon. Thank you so much. And a special welcome to Mr. Robert Gregory. And of course, I was going to make reference to the fact that we know that WorldSkills Jamaica is your brainchild. So welcome, and it's nice to see you. Okay, I'm going to speak specifically of where we are with the staging of Jamaica's 4th National Skills Competition. And of course, as Dr. Wesley just indicated, sheer thrill and excitement that we're looking for on October 5 to 7 at the University of Technology. The diagrams are indicating that the best of the best that we want to see participating and showcasing their skills in keeping with what is taught in the system. The National Skills Competition, Mr. Mullings alluded to that. We hosted one in 2003. That was the inaugural competition for Jamaica. We had one in 2005 and another one in 2008. And then we went on to participate as well in the international skills competitions, Finland 2005, Japan 2007, Canada 2009, Brazil 2010, March of this year. And of course, we have many, many more such competitions as we make progress, as we raise the bar in terms of skills training here in Jamaica. The 4th National Skills Competition then, October 6 and 7 at the University of Technology. Just to say that we're having the opening ceremony. We want this to be a very big fanfare. We want all of the public to come out and really embrace this. So please tell your cousins, your sisters, your brothers, and everybody to come and join us at the National Indoor Sports Center starting at 6:30 p.m. The competition days, Wednesday and Thursday at the University of Technology, again open to the public. Please tell everybody to come and view our persons who are in training, and the closing and awards ceremony will be again at UTech at the auditorium. Not necessarily open to the public given the space constraint there. In terms of where we are, 12 sectors that we are showcasing, 40 skill areas, and I just highlighted them definitively: apparel and sewn products, and the skill areas: apparel making, soft furnishing, fashion designing, automotive technology, beauty therapy, ladies and men's hairdressing, dance, drama, speech, singing, basketry, ceramics, costume jewelry, confectionery, pastry, restaurant services, culinary arts, building and construction. We're looking at block laying, cabinet making, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, wall and floor tiling, landscaping, electrical installation, welding, air conditioning and refrigeration, industrial electronics, instrument making, and graphic communications, software application, IT, PC and network support, web page design, early childhood care and caring. And those basically are in keeping with what is offered in the system. At heart, we offer more, but those are the areas that we're actually focusing at this time as it relates to the staging of the competition this year. We went through a series of eliminations. We've drawn persons from right across the education sector, heart institutions, the schools, privately owned institutions, and tertiary institutions. So far, we have we've confirmed 368 finalists for the competition. The breakdown is shown there: from the schools, 165, from the heart institution, 170, tertiary institutions, 15, and privately owned institutions, 18. So as we go forward, we really want to see more from the schools, from the private sector in particular. So it's good basically that we have persons embracing the skills competition from the private sector today. We've been undertaking structured training sessions for all of the finalists. We've been using the heart facilities just to ensure that they're on the ball basically when it comes to the competition days, and they really are showcasing their talents as we expect. The competition support personnel have been selected, and we call them skill sector leaders. These are the persons who will be responsible for the competition on the ground, the experts who will be doing the marking, the workshop supervisors or quality assurance officers who will ensure that all the competition rules and regulations are being adhered to, and in keeping with WorldSkills International standards. And of course, our volunteers, our general assistants, we have a training schedule, and that is actually happening as we speak. And then in moving forward, we expect to identify and select winners from selected sectors to participate in the upcoming London competition that is scheduled for October 2011. And of course, we're also lobbying for WorldSkills International to include one of our most important skill area, which is performing arts, as a new skill area that is not actually on the WorldSkills International list of skill areas. So we really are doing our best to ensure that Jamaica makes its mark in terms of accepting performing arts as a skill area. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for attending today, and thank you for listening to me. And we look forward to seeing you all at the opening ceremony and the other sessions as they actually come. Thank you.